Welcome everybody. Now let's complete the text period 1 unit 2. Look at the pictures and answer these pre-reading questions. Question number 1. What are the students doing in the pictures? Yes, what are they doing? Yes, they are learning. Question 2. What impression do you get from the pictures? Yes. What is your first impression from the first picture? The first picture, maybe they are students in the Southeast Asia, جنوب شرق آسيا. Yes. Picture 2. Yes, they are learning at a school. At university or higher school. Picture 1, they are solitary learners because everyone reads or studies by himself, but in the second picture they are social learners as they discussing with each other. Question number 3. How are the pictures similar or different from your own classroom? يعني شو شايفين التشابه أو اختلاف بين الصور والفصل اللي أنتم بتدرسوا فيه. Question number 4. The pictures show classrooms in two of the most successful countries in the world, educationally and economically. Which countries do you think they might be? Yes. What countries? Yes. Think until you see the following maps. Yes. The first map, Finland on the world map. Look. Yes, this is Finland on the map, on the world map. In which continent is it? Yes, it's in Europe. In the south or in the south or in the north? Yes, it's in the north. Do you know what is their nationality called? Yes, it's called Finnish. Finnish. Yes. Now, so this is the first country, Finland. Let's see the second country. Yes, Taiwan on the world map. Taiwan on the world map. Look, this is Taiwan. Taiwan in which continent? It's in Asia. طبعا we can say Asia or Asia. Both are correct. It's in Asia. Yes. In the south? Is it in the south or in the south? In the southeast. In the southeast of Asia, yes. طيب, what is their nationality called? They are called Taiwanese. Taiwanese. Okay. So our lesson is about these two countries, Finland and Taiwan. Yes. Now, at the beginning, I'll give you subtitles or headlines. Please read the 4 paragraphs and match the following headlines or subtitles to their suitable paragraphs. In your books, you have 4 paragraphs, and now I'm going to give you 4 subtitles. Yes. A. Reasons behind Finland's successful education system. What does mean reasons? It means أسباب. الأسباب وراء نجاح نظام التعليم الفنلندي. في أي فقرة؟ B. Similarities and differences between the two countries' education system. يعني شو الفقرة بتحكي عن التشابهات والاختلافات بين البلدين في نظام التعليم. C. Why do many education ministers who are hoping to develop their education look at Finland and Taiwan? لماذا معظم وزراء التعليم الذين يرغبون في تطوير أو يتأملون تطوير نظامهم التعليمي دائما ما يتطلعون إلى فنلندا وتايوان؟ And D, the writer's conclusion or advice. Please stop the video here, read them again, read these subtitles, and read the 4 paragraphs in your books, and match these subtitles with the paragraphs. Okay? Yes. I'll give you 4 minutes. Now let's see the answers. Paragraph 1. What is the suitable? The suitable subheading is: why do many education ministers who are hoping to develop their education look at Finland and Taiwan? This subtitle is for paragraph 1. This subtitle is for paragraph number 1. And you will find the answer of this question. نشوف paragraph 2. Reasons behind Finland's successful education system. Yes. Paragraph 3. Yes. Similarities and differences between the 2 countries' education systems. And the last one, of course, the writer's conclusion or advice. نصيحة الكاتب أو الخاتمة. Okay, now these are the 4 subtitles matching to the 4 paragraphs. Now I'm going to explain paragraph number 1. 2 success stories. Here we have 2 success stories and what we can learn from them. So at the end of the text, you are going to tell me what do you learn from the text. Yes. Let's discuss paragraph number 1. Education ministers who are hoping to improve their school systems often look at Finland and Taiwan. Okay. So, education ministers who are hoping to improve their school systems usually look at Finland and Taiwan. نعرف ليش? Why? Okay, but before we are going to know some information about these 2 countries. The first is a small country. طبعا which one is the first? طبعا Finland. هنا the first refers to Finland. Is a small country in the northern Europe. في شمال أوروبا وإحنا حكينا هذا الكلام. With a cold climate and a language hardly anyone else speak. Their language is very hard, very tough. The second, which one is the second? Yes, of course, it's Taiwan. Is a very small island that until fairly recently had high levels of poverty. لوقت متأخر أو حديث يعني عندها كان مستويات عالية من الفقر والتعداد السكاني. But هنا yet it means yet هنا means but or yet today both of these countries, yes, both هنا refers to Finland and Taiwan. Of these برضو Finland and Taiwan come out at or near the top in international surveys of economic success. Okay, so of course their circumstances of these countries' circumstances are very hard, but today these countries come out at near or come out at or near the top in international surveys of economic success. Year after year, they also score highly in education. So why do many education ministers who are hoping to develop their education look at Finland? هنا الجواب. Because year after year they also score highly in educational results. سنة بعد سنة بينجزوا أعلى وأكثر في نتائج التعليم. Can this be an accident or is it there a connection؟ هل هو مجرد صدفة ولا في ترابط يعني هيك؟ Okay. Now this is the first paragraph. Please read it again and answer the following activity. Question number 1. Why do many education ministers look at Finland and Taiwan to develop their school system? Why? يعني especially these two countries. Why do many education ministers look at these two countries especially? Yes. Question number 2. What is the position of Finland and Taiwan in the international surveys of economic success? Yes. Position يعني هنا ما هو موقعهم من الدراسات العالمية للنجاح الاقتصادي. بعدين put true or false in front of the following sentences. Finland lies in southern Europe with a hot climate. Yes, 2. Taiwan is a small island that until fairly recently had high levels of poverty and population. Yes, read the paragraph again and answer them. Yes, have you finished? Let's see the answers. Yes, why do many education ministers especially look at Finland and Taiwan to develop their school system? Of course, because year after year they score highly in educational results. Question number 2. What is the position of Finland and Taiwan in international surveys of economic success? Both of these countries come out at or near the top in international surveys of economic success. شوفوا true or false. Finland lies in the southern Europe طبعا with a hot climate. Of course false. It's not in the south, it's in the north, and it's not hot, it's very cold climate. Yes. Taiwan is a small island that until fairly recently had high levels of poverty and population. طبعا yes, it's true. Now let's see the second paragraph. Yes. Reasons behind Finland's successful education system. Yes. Finnish education minister Sula Hatainen certainly believes there is. What does she believe in? شوف إيش بتآمن فيها. In Finland, we believe we have to invest in education. They have to invest in education. بيؤمنوا إنهم لازم يستثمروا بالتعليم. She says. طبعا هنا she refers to mean to the minister, to the Finnish education minister Tuula Hatainen. طبعا وهنا we بتحكي عن مين؟ عن Finnish people. Yes. One reason. نشوف why they have to invest in education. Why they have to invest in education. نقول one reason she offers for Finland's success is that students don't begin real school until they are 7. So students don't begin school until they are 7, not 6, not 8, but 7. And all students between 7 and 16 get the same education. They don't divide students. تحكي we don't divide at an early stage. ما بيقسموهم في سن مبكرة between the students who do well طبعا and who don't يعني. She explains. طبعا who is she? لها تاينن. Studies show that it's dangerous to divide too early into different educational paths. So why don't they divide the students in early stage? Because it's dangerous. Because it's dangerous to divide them at an early stage. Yes, this is paragraph 2. Let's see questions on paragraph 2. Read the second paragraph again to answer the following questions. What are the reasons that lead Finland to successful education system? According to Tuula Hatainen, why don't finish a school divide students at an early stage? Yes, read again and answer them. Yes, and now I'll give you the correct answers. شوف number 1. The first reason is students don't begin real school until they are 7. That's why they are successful in their education system. Successful in their education system, yes. The number 1, students don't begin real school until they are 7. Number 2, all students between 7 and 16 get the same education. Yes. Number 3, they don't divide the students طبعا at an early stage between students who do well and who don't. Yes, these are the 3 reasons that lead Finland to successful education system. Now question number 2. Yes, why don't they divide the students at an early stage? Because because studies show that it's dangerous to divide too early into different educational paths. Thank you for now. Yes, I'm going to complete the next part very soon. Goodbye.